Hello, Regis students. Well, I must say I wish that, we spent time in class together this semester. I hope that you've enjoyed these notebooks and, appreciate their purpose. It's all highly relevant data. So this last one is essentially for you on advanced file I/O. What's important for you to understand is when you need to go and parse data, whether it's JSON or other formats, what's required is that you just have some kind of indication of how the data is stored, okay? And so I'm hoping that this will provide you with the basic it's in the same format, but I hope it'll provide you with the basic assessment of being able, whether in Python or Java, and working with XML data that is nested or unnested, and that you're able to read it, whether it's from your computer or from another environment. And so that is its main purpose. And so there's really no work for you to do in here. The main work is for you to go through this and say, oh, okay, this makes sense or it doesn't make sense. And so, because it's really, you're reading text and you're printing text, but then, I transform it into then writing, as you see over here, then writing to an Nmap, and then writing to JSON. And so what's most important is for you to understand that the JSON pipeline is the number one way that information is transferred across the internet. Well, not the number one, but I mean it's fast. It can take the largest environments and pack them down, and so that's the whole purpose for this lesson. So I hope that you will at least run this and understand that it's a dictionary within a dictionary within a dictionary. That's the collective environment that you're working in. What else can I tell you? So we can get into hosting and unhosting, but I don't feel a need to to do all of that. What I think is important is that you understand about extraction. And so when you get into extraction, what's required is that when you are getting ready, when you receive a file and you have a port and you have an address, that you are able to grab that information and then put it in the format that you need for work that you need to do. So that's why this is an advanced topic. It's not It can get very complex, but it doesn't need to be anymore. But what I want you to see is right here, look, here is a list, and then you have a dictionary within the dictionary. All right? And so this is the type of thing that happens with this information. And, if you're going to be performing work and you need to load, unload information, and sort of run your programs, well, you got to send it via JSON. So that's what this lab is about. And I don't know. I hope that the data that you need, the core information that you need in order to do this work is in here. And so as I've promised you throughout the semester, that's one of the key deliverables. So make sure you are storing all of these files and books that I've sent you. All right. Thank you. Instructor Brian out.